Howdy. Earthquake activity, Southern Europe or Southern Germany, not Europe, Germany. Just to make sure everybody knows what we are looking at. Kaiserstuhl volcano probably extinct. There is more earthquake activities around the volcano, obviously. And that's just now from today. 24 hours. So we have this here, this big one. No, big. Killer. Auf dem Sofa, als es rüttelte. Ja. 3.1, 8 kilometers in depth. So, I have been watching this Albstadt region since quite a while. There are thermal baths and stuff all over the place. So let's hop over to Google Earth. Here is Albstadt. And that's the region I'm really intrigued by. For whatever reason, there seems to be going on something, and it's geologically really, really interesting. The quake happened here. And if we would just get some pixels. They're just residential houses. Sporadic occurrences in the fields are really interesting too. So let's put on some pictures. Maybe we can figure out something interesting. Because I think this region is really interesting. Sometimes you have to search a little bit for map style. Everything. Check it out. Lincoln-Boltshöhle. This seems to be a cave. This isn't a cave. That's a cave. Whoa. Really interesting. Yeah, I guess you can call that a cave. That's another one, I guess. I would say, since we have this green stuff hanging from the walls, there is water pouring through that rock. Yeah, I don't know what to make of that one. Really interesting. You just have to imagine this once being somewhat liquid. These rocks, then you understand how they got fused together into what they are nowadays. And if there is enough electricity in the air, simply put, the water will rise upwards for sure. So now we found a cave, or maybe two, I don't know. not far from the earthquake epicenter. Maybe we have to expect some more quakes still. Dolomite boulder box. Yeah, a castle. I bet there are many castles in that region. But I would be more interested into geological things. But anyway, I think I leave it here. This might be really boring. Or we could just take a random quake somewhere in the Alps and check out if there's something interesting. Let's just take this one. 10 hours ago, Linthal. This sounds interesting because the Linth turns into Limmat and it joins the river Rhine, which flows amongst volcanoes. And we have a quake and we have a water vane. Now let's just follow that where here it starts. Obviously in the middle of the mountain, and we have can we turn it around? Yeah, now it makes more sense. Yeah, what is going on here? Why we have these kind of patterns here? This gray stuff. And boulders all over the place. Anything interesting nearby? Yeah, actually, this one should be. This could be really. That's a gorge. Okay. Obviously, we dropped right into the gorge. It seems to be really narrow. I may have been there. I don't really remember. Might be. Let's just check out some pictures. Yeah, I would call this narrow. So how comes the glacier didn't make a valley here? Just this gorge. Yeah, I want to see a glacier which fits in this. Carving out all these. Doesn't make sense to me at all. And that's a great opportunity to question where's the pile? Where's the pile the glacier cave carved out of the mountain? Still no pile. Here it is. That's one of the greatest pictures you can think of. I am not sure, but this could be a person. So how comes that there's water pouring out of a mountain? And it seems it comes out of the mountain here and drops in another hole. Yeah, I want to see plate tectonics doing these kind of things. That's a nice one. Yeah, that's a hole. It's dropping into another hole. Check it out. That's some fancy plumbing. Yeah, it's really steep. And there are really no piles anywhere. From the glaciers who carved out all the valleys. And we have really clean water flowing out of the mountains. Yeah, that's the same picture, a different angle. You don't see water flowing from anywhere up here. There might be another cave. And there is also no snow really visible. So where's the water coming from? Why is there water? How is there a hole in the rock? That's really, really neat. Something to ponder upon, or about, or however you say. I leave it here. Thanks.